To fix your battery drainage on Realme Note 60, first we can click on the running apps section, this button right here, or if you're using gestures, then you need to swipe up and then just hold your finger here for around half a second. You should see something like this afterwards, and now what we want to do is clear all. This will shut down any apps that are running in the background, and it will save you a lot of battery usage. Next step is to reveal our notification bar. Right here you will see all of the notifications. Make sure that you don't have anything like a timer or a clock running in the background, as this takes a lot of battery as well. You can also try to adjust the brightness and lower it a bit if it's always running on the maximum. This saves your battery as well. Next step is to swipe down again in notification bar. You will see all of the quick access features. And what we want to do here is disable any functions that may drain our battery. The functions are, for example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data. The flashlight is also eating a lot of battery. The same with location. There's screen recorder. And honestly, that would be most of the features that eat a lot of battery. There's also hotspot. But there's two of the icons that can actually increase your battery life, and they are battery saver. You can enable it, which will kind of change your device. As you can see, we entered dark mode, and a few other things happen that decrease our battery usage. We can also try to use a super power saver, and this will drastically change your phone. As you can see, the home screen and everything else basically is gone. There's only 3 icons on the screen, but this saves you a lot of battery. So if you're running really low on battery and you don't have any place to charge your phone, then you can enter that mode to save that battery. But if you can't find those icons right there, you can either edit your quick bar access with the edit button like this. Just click on it and then bring up the battery saver and ultra saver with the plus button from below. And if you don't want to use it that way, then you can just go to your settings and look for the battery. Inside, you can also enable your battery saver along with ultra saving mode.